Morning everyone. So today's Saturday and I actually have a lip appointment. So it's to get fillers. I'm really excited because it's something I wanted to do for like a long time now. So my appointment's with Dr. Melinda from Dr. Melinda Aesthetics, and I'm super excited but also like really nervous because I don't know what it's gonna look like, but I'm excited because she's really good. So she did give me permission to film, obviously not filming her injecting but filming the procedure. Then I'm done. I just need to change and then wait to go. Hey guys, so I am on my way. I'm actually going to be leaving now. I'm just wearing something very comfortable and cash. Just some Vans, leggings, a top with a sports bra underneath, and my daisies. Hi Key. Hey guys, so we're with Dr. Melinda, and okay, so I'm going to be filling my lips. I have the numbing cream on and my lips are very numb, so they don't really feel like much. Okay, so Dr. Melinda, what are we doing?
So we are going to take off the numbing cream and take some before photos, and then when I look at her lips I saw that the top lip has an M shape, so there's some volume loss here at the bottom, but she's got a beautiful cupid's bow. So what I'm going to do is just go with the same shape and just fill out the volume areas that needs the volume loss areas that needs more volume. And then we're going to start now. Okay, and then also what products are we using? So we're using I'm not allowed actually to say product names, but you can say the product name.
Restylane.
Well, I didn't say it, you did.
You're using Restylane. Okay, and then another thing is, so I wanted a keyhole. So if somebody wants something specific, can we ask for it?
Yes,
or do you look?
If it's technically impossible to do, I will tell you. But otherwise, if you want to keep its bow to be rounded or sharp, or you want a keyhole part, I can definitely work around that. And normally we do get that for you.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to start. We're not allowed to film the procedure. That's intellectual property. So I'll check back in after. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay, guys. So, we're halfway through.
Just with the top lip.
Yeah, just the top, just this side.
So are you surviving?
And it's looking so good. I'm surviving. You do feel the little pinches from the needle, but it's very slight.
And your eyes get watery.
Yeah, my eyes started to water, but I'll check in with you when we're done because this is looking good and I really want to see it now. So like, okay, later.
Okay, so important, there's going to be swelling today and tomorrow. Like there can be a lot of swelling. Tomorrow it can be even worse because you're lying down. So if you sleep with an extra pillow, that helps a lot. Then also you're going to put on some ice for me. Lots of ice, as much as you can today and tomorrow, because the hyaluronic acid in the filler actually attracts a lot of water, and then it's going to cause a lot of swelling. And then the ice does help. Don't keep it on one spot for too long, because if you do that, you're not going to feel how cold it gets, because there's also numbing in the filler that I injected. So then you won't know how cold it gets, and I don't want you to get yourself some frostbite. And then for the first 5 days, don't rub your lips, don't kiss, nothing that's going to move the filler around or into different areas. And then it's normal to have swelling, to have bruising, to have unevenness, as the one side might swell more than the other side. And then if you feel any lumps for 5 days, don't massage them. Only from day 5 you can put them between your thumb and your forefinger and you can massage them away. And then it takes 2 weeks for it to completely settle.
Okay. And
then the swelling is settles and then you miss it.
So this is what I'm looking like now. It's a lot swollen, but it will go down, and then I'll show you how the swelling goes up. But like how good the shape is. Oh, I love it so much. Yeah, the swelling needs to go down because I can't say. Check how swollen I am. It's so bad. And it's also sore one, it feels really tight. It's so funny. So I hope by tonight the swelling goes down, because I look like a duck. What do you think? I just say Daffy. Ow. And then Dr. Melinda also gave a little ice pack, but mine is melted now, but it helped a lot, so I want to get more ice on my lips. So it's been about 2 hours since my filler appointment. And it just seems like my lips have gotten bigger and bigger, and yeah. So I can't even take myself seriously. So Dr. Melinda said that this would happen and that it's normal. It's just very strange because I feel like people are looking at me. So thank the Lord for face masks. But you can see the shape, and I've got a beautiful keyhole, and yeah, so let me just zoom you in though, so you can see the slight bruising that I have, as well as some of the injection sites. So I'm just going to zoom you in. Okay, pardon my skin, but it is what it is. But okay, so this is what my lips are looking like. You can see the injection marks like here and there. I've got a little bruise there, so I'm not like actually really too bruised, but and let me just show you a side profile. But yeah, that's what I'm looking like so far. So when I smile, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, no, that looks like clown lips. You know what this reminds me of? You know those like big red fake lips that you get and like you stick them on like the toy lips. It looks like that. So I'm hoping I'll see what it's like tonight. If it's still the same, then I won't vlog, but we'll see what it's looking like tomorrow, and the bruising and everything else, and then we will go from there. It's actually really sore to talk, really sore. I was trying to drink a milkshake and drinking was fine, stopping was an issue. So yeah, I think I'll check in the morning to see how it's going. This is the part that nobody really gets to see. I look like a freaking Bratz doll. So it's 7 o'clock now, and my lips were probably injected at maybe like 11:30 this morning, and as you can see they're still pretty swollen. I look like a pufferfish. Yeah, I swell really badly, but that's what I'm looking like now. I do notice an improvement, but my lips just feel really dry, so I'll just keep putting on some Vaseline, the little green one in the tin. I just keep putting that on, and I'm a little bit bruised as well, but my top lip is the one that's like the problem. Like my bottom lip doesn't feel like anything, and as you can hear, like I'm talking funny as well, because it's actually hard to move my lips and like to actually form words, so it does hurt a little bit, and it stings slightly every now and again. So it's not consistent stinging, but every now and again it does sort of sting a little. So I'll just zoom you in quickly just so you can see what it's looking like after a couple of hours. Let me get you right in. So that's what I'm looking like after a couple of hours. I'm just gonna end it here, and then I'll check in with you tomorrow, probably up until 1 week, just to see what is happening. Peace. Good morning, everyone. So it's been some hours since my lip fillers, and I must say I'm liking them way better now. I can see the shape, the swelling is gone, I don't feel so uncomfortable anymore. It's still a little bit tight at the top. I do have bruising. Yeah, and it's just like it feels just a little bit dry, so I keep putting on like lip oil, Vaseline. So that's been helping the situation, and now it's starting to look nice. I have movement in my lips. As I said, the bruising is still there, but that will go away. But I'm starting to really like it now. And let me just zoom you in so you can have a look. My apologies for how bad my skin is, but my lips are so cute. So the swelling will go down a little bit, but I love it. Hey guys, so it's the evening of the second day, and I love them now. Like, the swelling has gone down and everything's looking so good. So yeah, I love them now. The shape, you can see the shape. It's easier to talk, easier to move my lips. I am a little bit dry still. My lips do feel a bit chapped, but I just love them now. So I'm just going to zoom you in just to see what they're looking like now. Good morning, everybody. So it's day 3, and my swelling, I think for the most part, has gone down. So this is what I'm left with. The top lip is still a bit swollen, especially like in the middle, but this is what I am left with. And I must say I'm really happy with the shape. I'm really happy with how they look now. I just want this bruising to disappear. It's still very tight, like right here, also very dry. So I think I'm gonna just put on a little bit of makeup today just to see what everything looks like. So I'll check in with you a bit later. So I know I really sucked at updating, since it's already, today is day 6, and I think my last update was maybe day 2 or day 3, but nothing exciting really happened. It's just that like the swelling went down, and I think it settled more. It feels more comfortable. Yeah, my lips feel way more comfortable and settled. I can still feel 2 lumps, but they feel really comfortable, and I really love the way they turned out. It's so cute and plump, and I'm already like focused on when I'm going to be getting my next mole. So that needle feeling is real. Needle, like love lust, is real. Yeah, they healed pretty well. The bruising is gone. Yesterday was my birthday, 1st of October, so I put in some lipstick, and it was really, really cute. So I'll insert some pictures just so you can see what it looked like with lipstick. But I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I can't wait for my next syringe. So I'm just gonna, as usual, zoom me in so that you can see what it looks like. Okay, so again, pardon my horrible skin, but this is what my lippies are looking like, and they are so cute. Okay, this is what they look like, just normal. Side profile. So with all that being said, tomorrow, Saturday, is my 7th day, and that's 1 week. And Dr. Melinda said that the fillers take about 2 weeks to settle in and, you know, just relax themselves. So I'll see what it's looking like next week, Saturday. That's probably when this video is going to go up, or maybe like a month later. I don't know. But if the 2 weeks have lapsed, I will write down in the comment box any changes that may or may not have happened. So thank you guys so much for watching and joining me on this lip filler journey. I hope it was interesting for anybody that was thinking about getting fillers. Just a tip: do your research, find a good doctor, look at that doctor's like social media pages to just ensure that that doctor is for you and that you are happy with that doctor's work. Because the last thing you want to do is spend a fortune, which is what lip fillers cost. It's expensive. It's an expensive thing to do, and the last thing you want to do is spend a fortune on it only to realize that you hate your lips, or your lips are botched, and to have them dissolved and redone. So do your research, find a good doctor, and yeah, I absolutely loved going to Dr. Melinda, and it's not the last time that you'll be seeing me. So guys, if you like this, give me a like and a subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you on my next video.